Hello, my friends. I'm excited to share these items with you today because they are items we have released in the past, but they have not been on our website for a long time. And that means like they could have been in a kit a long time ago, or they were in a class a long time ago, and now we're offering them now on our website. Now, it does not include the whole kit and it does not include the class, but you can at least get these items now, which is very exciting. Number one is our hummingbirds. This was a class many, many years ago. We've brought back the art just so you can get it in stamp form and of course with the dies that match as well. So those are now available on the website. We also are adding onto the website the kit fairy background. So we've recently released our our fairies, but we didn't release the background. So now's your chance to get that background. We also have, for a very limited time, because I know these are going to fly out the door, and I'm keeping these two for me, are the Ombre ribbon. These are the rainbow ombre ribbons that we all went crazy for when we brought them out in the kit. We have found a box in the warehouse. Ken has put them in packs of 2. We are selling them on the website. First come, first served. Once they're gone forever. So go get those ASAP, because let me just tell you, these are mine. Last but not least, we have on our website a 5x7 card base, and it has all these awesome other dies inside. And sometimes we've noticed that sometimes people get a little nervous about all the extra dies on the inside. So we've released the basics line. The basics line, we have it in the A2 card bases, we have it in the rounded edges A2 card base, and now we're offering it in the 5x7 card base. Basics means the price is less because there's less dies involved, and you're just getting exactly only what you need, not the extra dies inside. So now we have this as a basic for 5x7 size. Now, if you already have our 5x7 card base, you are not allowed to buy this one because you already have it. It's the exact same card base in that set, but without the extra fluff, so to say, okay? So now you can go check out those items on the website. First come, first serve on the ombre ribbon. Once it's gone for good. And I don't know, I might be keeping a couple of these for myself. So go check it out, stampsoflife.com. Club members, of course, you're getting your club discount every single day, every single item, and every single order. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.